Today we are looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in black. This truck is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful jet black leather seats. These seats feature heating in the front row. The interior is finished in jet black. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, media controls, windshield wipers, high beams, and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you'll find your controls for lights, drive mode, and your parking brake. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors. Power seat controls can be found on the sides of the driver and passenger seats. As we jump inside, we can take a look in the center of the dash at the media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google apps such as Assistant and Maps. Below you'll find plenty of controls, including your climate controls, heated seat controls, and more. The center column features your gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and your center console, which features 2 more USB charging ports, a wireless charging pad, 120 volt port, and plenty of storage. Throughout the vehicle, you'll find Bose speakers delivering crisp audio throughout. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these bright front headlights, as well as the black front grille and bumper. Below, this Silverado sits on gloss black aluminum wheels. As we look along the side of the exterior, you'll notice all of the options are finished in black, such as badging, windows, door handles, and mirror caps. As we head towards the cargo bed, you'll notice tinted rear windows. We can release the hands-free power tailgate to showcase the spacious cargo bed, equipped with spray-on bed liner, 120 volt charging, and LED lighting. As we take a look at the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, USB charging, and cup holders in the back of the center console, as well as the center seat. Behind the rear seats, you'll find the power rear window. These seats contain in-seat storage, as well as storage below the seats, as they are split in a 60-40 bench fashion. Look up and you'll notice that beautiful sunroof allowing sunlight into the vehicle. And that is the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in black, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.